Hello there, in this tutorial I'm going to show how to do offline sharing uh, between a file server and a client computer. So for example, if in a network a user wants a continuous access of a folder, even though if a file server gets disconnected and not able to uh, uh, work properly through networks, so it usually work on sync. So currently I just wants to create a sharing file, for example offline share, and right click. uh, this is I'm just putting some files. So let me create some file and put into the folder. I want text document, rich text document, and the BMP image, bitmap image. Now right click, properties, uh, sharing, advanced sharing, and then share this folder. Check that and give a permission. So permission will be full to everyone. Apply. Okay, and at this time we'll be caching. So we have to select the second number option. Is all files and programs that users open from the share will be automatically available offline. So it's totally whenever we select offline thing, and if a server connectivity gets disconnected or not able to connect with the client, then that time we still able to use the file, still able to access the file and work on the file. So we got the option of offline thing at our client computer. So we just share the file, and let's go to a Vista machine. This is our client machine, and well, we'll go to control panel, and well, I was just making a classic view, so we will get the option very quickly, then finding each and every one. So you will find one option called offline files. So this is the offline files. Open that, and you can see here at Vista machine the option is already enabled. For example, if option is disabled, then you have to enable. You find the option, you can see it's already enabled, and currently offline cannot be disabled, so it's by default enable. But if it's not, then you can. So you will find the view your offline files if it's already some cache already generated in our computer, and it's totally work on sync, so that whenever it tries to refresh the data by keep on contacting with our server, like the account in our smartphone. If you put Gmail account uh, or the other email account on your smartphone or Outlook Express. Now you find the option called available offline. Whenever you tries to uh, access, give the path and give the IP address, offline share, and you find the right click, offline, always offline, and you find the option called work online and work offline. So for example, if you want to make offline thing, right click, always available offline, and this thing will be available. You will find two options: sync, and another one is work offline. So this two things will be available once you give a special command. And also your folder should be have a caching option also enable. So this is where the offline sharing is. And for example, if you just wants to disable the internet of the server, so it will not immediately close the content. You can see it's still available, the wizard is still available, the tab, the folder is still available, and not quickly discontinue and disable the tab, it's still available. And when you tries to search uh, other share folder, won't be available. You can see slash test1 slash, for example, tries to search test1, won't be available. And at very last you will get the error that Windows not able to get the file start diagnostics. So currently I won't, you can see enter, it won't available quickly. And at last you will get the error to diagnose. So this is what the practical was all about. Now you can find when you try to access, you find the file is currently offline, but the folder is still there. And you, if you chose the work offline option, they will be available till the network lasts, even the network disconnected. Hope you learned something from it.